El Gato.
What is it?
Someone is calling you.
El Gato meet me.
This is sketchy.
Die.
Not today.
It is not over yet.
It is over for you. Grumpy.
Good job.
Thanks.
Where am I?
I will tell you Ivu helped me kill El Gato.
Bet, let me go. Meow.
Fine.
Watch out. New Popcat. GRR.
New.
Blacker.
I will kill you, El Gato.
It is over. Blacker.
Missed me.
It's over.
I always come back.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Hi.
Who are you?
Your guard.
What your name?
Guardian. How about you?
Popcat.
Let's fight to see who's stronger. You win.
Nice.
What plan?
Find them and kill them.
Okay.
We got him. Let's tell. El Gato.
Yes.
El Gato.
Run.
What happened?
Blacker shot me. He's at.
Let's go.
Yes.
Her here naughty.
Did an ant bite me? Whatever. Let's end this. Why's that?
Get him.
You did that? Say goodbye.
New.
Huh?
That doesn't work. Now die. That was easy.
You okay?
Just a scratch.
Let's go home.
Okay. I'ma go take a nap.
I will cook fish.
Finally. Z's.
I'm done. Wake up, Popcat.
Boss, I have Imjapop cat.
Why didn't you kill him?
I'm sorry. I'll do better next time.
Hi, Blacker. What do you want? Okay, Blacker. We have to go.
Okay, I'm ready.
Me too.
Ah,
He's just a scaredy cat.
Yes.
I will go. Bye.
El Gato. Please, tell my mom I love her.
What? No.
See you again, brother.
How dare you kill my brother? I miss him.
Let's play. Okay. You're gonna lose. No. Let's see then.
I miss the good times.
I will kill him alone. Let's find his location. Too hard. Let's meet him.
I will kill him.
What?
If I die, I'm in charge.
Okay. I wish you luck.
Haha.
What?
Watch out. Die.
Nice. I will go to my room.
Okay.
Popcat.
Yes, I came down to Say goodbye.
Don't leave.
I'm sorry, but I have to go. Goodbye.
This is our favorite park to play at. I wish we could play again.